Like they say, whenever I speak English in front of them, and everybody knows that my tone is very different. So whenever I speak, it feels very good. And my students, they feel, even they say, not my, sorry, my classmates, but how do they like react over me? They say, oh, you speak too good. I feel so very unique in the class. And if I talk about my parents, my dad, he feels very proud of me. Either I show my video to him, he doesn't get, but he feels very proud. Oh, my baby.
Where I used to hesitate a lot already, but although I already knew English that much so that I can understand that person, but I had a hesitation or a fear of speaking, like what will I speak? But if I make a mistake, they will laugh on me. But now I don't think that it happens with me, because I won't say it is totally from English, it is from academy too, because in academy I speak in front of 25 to 30 students, by which my fear gets reduced.
Boosted my confidence, and as well as I boosted my grammar a lot. And if I talk about English in my regular life, how is it useful? So as we know that whenever we open a phone and laptop, so everything is in English. So it is very helpful for me whenever I operate my laptop and operate my phone. So it is very helpful. And whenever I search anything, so I search in English. And as well as we know that in Sultan, we won't have.
I used to have like fear of people. I didn't used to talk to them, and then I had like shyness. So just because of the
significant for me. For if I talk about my class 12th, so I did not used to know about as much grammar, as much English, because as I know now nowadays, because I also did not used to know about the big words like the idioms and phrases. I did not used to know, but after learning.
And now you can say many of the people who are on metro, so they were gazing us, and
she used to tell in English, so I used to be hesitate a lot. So now I don't hesitate, and if I talk about English, in English I don't have to scroll that reel. I can watch it, and I can understand. And if I talk about my school, I use it very well.
There was an exam of English, so just because of English, I got good marks, because if I say the parallel marks, I used to get like above 50. But when I joined this academy, so it helped me to increase my English marks, and it also had to teach to students, because when I used to teach in school, so where I used to explain.
Significant for me. For if I talk about my class 12th, so I did not used to know about as much grammar, as much English, because as I know now nowadays, because I also did not used to know about the big words like the idioms and phrases. I did not used to know, but after learning English, I came to know about them, and I can also easily tell to other students too. And if I talk about speaking English, it is also significant for me, because whenever I speak in English in front of my friends, they think that I am very intelligent, and even now I am. And my friends, they always say me that from where I learned. My friends always say me that from where are you learning English? So I always tell them I'm learning English from this academy. You must join from here. And they always say that we will learn English. They just procrastinate that I will learn now. They never try to learn English. But I also used to do the same mistake, but I just thought I will learn English, and I took the step of learning English. Now I have learned English as much I can speak, so it's very good for my daily life.
So the English has played significant role in my life, as I have increased confidence just because of the English. I was introvert person, and now I am extrovert. I can talk to anyone, and I don't have fear of people. I used to have like fear of people. I didn't used to talk to them, and then I have like shyness. So just because of the English, I have removed that, and I became introvert. I have become introvert. And all these things, it helped me. And in my exams, so I know that how to read English, but I didn't used to know that how to write English. Just because of that, I get to know about the grammatical mistakes. What did I used to make? So I have changed these all things, and it's helped me to in my exams. Okay, so if I talk about English, so how it helped me. So I think that play an important role in my life because when I joined this academy, so I was in college. So and there was a I was in you can say second year. So there was an exam of English. So just because of English, I got good marks because if I say the parallel marks, I used to get above 50. But when I joined this academy, so it helped me to increase my mark in English marks, and it also had to teach to students because when I used to teach in school, so where I used to explain in English so that the students they can understand, and it looks professional that if you teach in English, if you explain in English, and second thing that it increased my confidence level that I started to talk to people and I started to talk to people and there was an incident that happened with me that I was going I went in mall and one girl she was asking to me something in she asked something to me in English, so and all the time I explained her in English because she was asking question to me in English. So on that time I felt very proud because if I was thinking when she asked after that I was sharing this incident to my sister that if I would know about English, so maybe I can be insulted by her today. So that's the you can say this. But just because of this, I started to think that yes, English play an important role in my life.
So if I talk about my experience with what all I have gotten, so it is obvious that English is when I joined academy. So first of all, I would started to mention that I learned manners and as well as I learned discipline and I learned that how to talk to people and I boosted my confidence. And as well as I boosted my grammar a lot. And if I talk about English in my regular life, how is it useful? So as we know that whenever we open a phone and laptop, so everything is in English. So it is very helpful for me whenever I operate my laptop and operate my phone. So it is very helpful. And whenever I search anything, so I search in English. And as well as we know that in Sultan we won't have as much English speaker around us. So yesterday I was going with Gosha. And Gosha and I, we were talking in English, so people were gazing us, which I really felt very proud, and I really felt it is made me very confident. And if I talk about in my class, so as far as I know, only I am English speaker, so I speak in English, and sometimes they say like she becomes a lot, but I do not care, but I really love to speak in English. If I talk about myself, how English plays a role in my life, so in my daily life, when I used to tell my mother about the academy what happened, so I used to tell in Hindi, and she used to tell in English. So I used to be hesitate a lot. So now I don't hesitate, and if I talk about English, in English I don't have to scroll that reel. I can watch it, and I can understand. And if I talk about my school, I use it very well.
So the role of English is too significant in my life. You can take the recently example that recently I gave my exam where the whole subject were in English. First of all, I was thinking that I will make Hindi to English, then I will write. But what happened with me when I was writing, so suddenly I didn't think about any kind of Hindi English translation. I was just writing. I was writing. So and in a metro, even though I was talking on metro, I talked Japan citizens, but Japanese, and you can say many of the people who were on metro, so they were gazing us, and I felt proud.
Oh, that's it.
So how does English help me in my daily life? Being a student of school and tuition, of course, as I have English subject, I'm very good. I'm perfect in it. I get good marks as well. And if I talk about how do I behave with my front of my students and English teacher, they feel proud of me. Like they say whenever I speak English front of them, and everybody knows that my tone is very different. So whenever I speak, it feels very good. And my students, they feel, even they say, not my, sorry, my classmates, but how do they like react over me? They say, oh, you speak too good. I feel so very unique in the class. And if I talk about my parents, my dad, he feels very proud of me. Either I show my video to him, he doesn't get, but he feels very proud. Oh, my baby is speaking English. That's it. So everybody feels very good. And even nowadays, sir had been posting my video like 7 and 8 videos. And people, they were asking me that, oh, you are getting viral, Pratigya, you speak too good. Of course, I feel very good.
Too well. You speak too well.
Too well. Yeah.
Okay, so I think English has given me a confidence which I didn't have earlier. Whether I used to hesitate a lot already, but although I already knew English that much so that I can understand that person, but I had a hesitation or a fear of speaking like, what will I speak? But if I make a mistake, they will laugh on me. But now I don't think that it happens with me because I won't say it is totally from English, it is from academy too, because in academy I speak in front of 25 to 30 students, by which my fear gets reduced. That's it.
If you're talking about the English, so what had I reflect on from English? So first time 6 months ago, so I had a lots of hesitations. So I'm not sure. So when I went on stage, so I could not speak. Then say 6 months later, then I boost my confidence. Then I speak front of anyone. Then I saw my video my father. Then he said,
I was अच्छा you showed
so दिखाया.
हाँ
Yeah, I saw my video from my father. Then he say you are speaking well. Then that's it. Everyone. So if I talk about how English play a crucial role in my life, so definitely it has changed my entire life. Because before coming in the academy, I was an introvert type of person, and I had a public speaking fear, and I used to get nervous very easily. Maybe someone remember that day I denied. I was sitting there, I denied totally. Said I will not go on the stage even though share. I will stand for speaking. I denied to that.
Stage.
Yeah, on the stage and on the stage.
Yes.
On the stage. So after that. It has changed my entire life. How? Because now I can talk to anyone very friendly. I don't have any kind of fear of anyone now. And whenever anyone, किसी का भी.
Maybe last.
And if I talk about whenever I go outside for wandering at all for any purpose, so definitely I don't feel like low there because I as I used to feel earlier, because whenever we travel through the metro, so definitely it is a lot of the unique personalities come, and in front of them we also need to be confident at all. If something would happen, but definitely now I feel that. Now I live in my attitude and I don't think so that they are better than me. I think I am. Yeah. Oh, definitely.
What? In my daily life, English plays a really crucial role because being a student, I have to do research over some topics, some science topics, commerce topics. On that research papers, there are only English. No, research papers. Papers. Actually,
I'm more of like correcting
yeah. No, ignore it. You are great, by the way. Okay. You know that all the good stuff it is in English. If you wanna watch the videos, I am not talking about those videos which you are thinking like English speaking videos. No, not like that.
Continue.
Now you guys had this. Yeah, if you wanna watch the good stuff, that it is in English because English is the medium. If I talk about the books, videos, YouTube videos, you know, nowadays I have got a keen interest in psychology, self-development. In these fields, you should know the English because every stuff is in English. And one more thing.
Yeah.
Prompt engineering. Now, what does it mean? You know, you all guys use AI daily. Yes, am I right?
Yes.
You all guys use AI daily, and there you guys give the prompt. The things which you type over your keyboard, it is called prompt. Prompt engineering. It is the engineering about the prompt, that by which you can give a good prompt, because how much you explain to the AI, that much good answer you will get from the AI. So prompt engineering is this, and prompt engineering is really easy in the English. That's it.
So what I personally believe that English plays a very vital role in my, daily lives, in most probably in my college life, because everybody knows that the college life is a very flaunting and showing off kind of life where nobody has anything, but everybody shows that they have everything.
Yeah.
So in that manner, English plays a very vital role because it shows your personality as a very sophisticated kind of person. And that you know how your etiquette, how to sit, stand, speak, communicate, how to present your opinion and all. So these are the things which I have learned by English. But more than English, I believe that Miogal plays a very vital role throughout this my 1.5 and 3 years of life, because here I have gotten to know that how can I present myself in a very better way, in a much better way. And that just because of the exercise which we do in our regular days in Miogal, like going up on the stage, speaking about anything, talking to everyone, and just because of that, confidence has boosted up a lot. Hesitation has dumbed down a lot, and because of that, now I believe that I can speak anywhere in any situation, anyhow, whether I know about the topic, I don't know about it. So I don't feel very that kind of. I don't find myself in a very heroic kind of situation. I believe that if anybody is standing in front of me, so I have gotten that kind of motivation automatically that I know more than him, and I can take him down in a jiffy. So these kind of motivation and confidence I have gotten from the Miogal, and of course I have also gotten to know that there are some of the misconception in the mind of the society that if a person he speaks in English, so he knows everything, he's a very well educated guy, but reality is far away from it. So these are the things which I play in my favor.
You wanna escape the reality.
So Charanjit, college life is my school life because there are so many boys in the school, they try to become cool in front of the girls. So I make them fool through the English which is taught by the Orbit sir. And this helps me a lot because there are so many boys. Even I do prank with them, I tell that ridiculous meaning is very handsome, and they speak in front of the girls and they say, I am very ridiculous, then they say, you are ridiculous, but from where? So this kind of the things happen in my school. And third thing is popularity, because whenever I get viral, so people don't know what is my name, but people know through Mr. English that you are Mr. English. They don't know what is your name, they don't know who are you, but they will say you Mr. English, come here, Mr. English, go there. So that's why I think that English plays a very vital role in my life, and it will be very important in life.
So English plays a very vital role in our lives. When we go somewhere and outside too, so we can approach anyone, either he is boy or girl, and definitely he or she will no reject, because we are speaking in English and it looks formally. And when we go to school, so when we speak in English, we feel proud, because when we sit our teachers, so most of the time we correct them, and most of the time they